How you doing? I'm Louie Gamino with Enviroscape LA. We're here at a project of ours, and the hardscape guys, they did the bulk of the grading here. They got the deck built. We have our two vaults that are down below. You may remember if we did watch the previous video, we have a network of eco tanks below us, so we're harvesting rainwater. We went ahead and we opened up our pump here. This is our external pump. It's a rainwater harvesting pump here. It's going to draw water out of our rainwater harvesting unit, and when the homeowner, client, gardener wants to go ahead and use that water, they're going to simply open up a hose bib, and that water or that pump will then turn on. It will sense a void in pressure. It's going to turn on, and they will be allowed to go and irrigate the garden with the highly nutrient rainwater that's going to be stored down below. So right now it's just a network of pipes. It's going to get cleaned up here pretty quick. We're going to start installing check valves, foot valves, float controls, all that fun stuff. We're going to get plumbed in here today. So we'll do a follow-up video once everything is installed, and it's not just a raw system, it's more so put together. We'll do a follow-up video for that. So when you think rainwater harvesting, sustainability, rainwater irrigation use, think Enviroscape.